From majestic forests to hidden nature reserves, how much do you really know? What is the official tree of the United States? Answer A. Oak. Which U.S. national park is home to the famous Old Faithful Geyser? Answer A. Yellowstone National Park. Which U.S. nature reserve is known for its breathtaking hoodoos and unique rock formations? Answer B. Bryce Canyon National Park. Which U.S. state is home to the Great Basin National Park, known for its ancient bristlecone pines? Answer A. Nevada. How many forest facts did you get right? Share your score in the comments. Challenge your friends and like, subscribe.